Erosion. Erosion. You can see when there's been lots of rain, like maybe what we had on Saturday.
A bird.
They live together in one.
Oh my gosh, it's too. Oh my god. Just leave scrolling again.
Listen to some of the noises that you can hear in the forest. What do you think those are? Can you see the difference in the two types of forests? Look at the leaves and the trunks of these trees. That's a deciduous forest. As I move forward, notice what type of trees you see. That's a coniferous forest. They produce cones. Observe some of the different things that you see in a field. Listen to the noises.